So my topic for today is in the political issue about the freedom of speech. Freedom of speech allows us to be able to share our opinions, share our ideas, or share any information and knowledge that we know by also being accountable for our actions. We can tell our ideas through the use of our voices and for us to be able to hear the opinions of other people. By doing so, we can create more mutual, more open, more closed environment that where we and other people can both feel comfortable and uh, feel the trust to each other. Freedom and expression is another way to discover the truth about someone or something. It helps us to make our feelings be known by other people. And in this way, we can also show our support for someone that we love, just like our friends, family, and loved ones. Um, Most especially as students. Uh, Freedom of speech protects us and helps us to fight against any kinds of abuse, unfair treatment, bullying, or many more from the people that surrounds us. Uh, Also, it's the way of how the youth explore, how they learn, and how they accept the challenges for them to build their self-confidence, self-esteem, and trust. It's not bad for us to express our opinions, our ideas, as long as we know our boundaries and limits, and that we know for ourselves that we are not affecting or aiming at someone's image or personal life. That's all. Uh, just be aware of what you post or and what you say in social media. Thank you for listening.